Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Easy English with Inna. Today we are going to discuss if clauses. If clause is one of the most useful clauses for speaking in English. So today let me begin if. Suppose if you come to my house, I will give you some chocolates. So there will be a condition, there will be a result. There will be a condition, then there will be a result. It is a condition and a result. So if is always used as a conditional statement. Okay, so let me see the first, we can say a general type of if. So what is the general type of if? For a general type of if, we use only the simple present tense and if clause also simple present tense and the result also in a simple present tense. So at what circumstances do we use this if sentences? So if you heat ice, it melts. If you eat ice, if you heat ice, it melts. That's the natural process. If it rains, the grass gets wet. So something like that. These are very simple sentences. So these are all natural truths. Natural truths means something that naturally happens. If you heat ice, it is natural that ice melts. So for this, if clause also is simple present tense and the result also the simple present tense. So let me discuss another type of if. So in this, the if clause is simple present tense and the result is simple future. If you come to my house, I will give you some chocolates. The simple. If you work hard, you will get good marks. Simple. So this is again, this is the type 1. We call it as a type 1 conditional. The first one is the type 0 conditional because it is very natural. If you do not work hard, you will not get good marks. That is a type 1. So let me give you another type 2. Type 2 conditional. In type 2 conditional, in if clause you have a past tense. In the resultant clause, you will have the present conditional or present continuous conditional. So don't imagine what is this present conditional, continuous conditional. Simply instead of will, we use would. That's all. One example. If you went to bed early, you would not get tired. Or you would get up early in the morning. If you went past tense. If you went to bed, you would get up in the morning early. That means you did not go to bed early, so you did not get up. That means it did not happen at all. So that is a type 2. In the type 3, you will have again more or less same situation like type 2. Means it is an unreal situation. So the tenses will be like you will use if clause will use the past perfect tense and the resultant clause again the present conditional or present continuous conditional. Suppose if you had worked hard, you would have been officer by this time. So both are unreal, it's not real. The sentences convey the opposite meaning. The sentences convey opposite meaning. So the meaning is, if you had passed the ball to me, I would have put the goal. That means you did not pass the ball to me, then I did not put the goal. That is the simplest meaning. But in if condition, we use the present perfect tense with again for the resultant clause we will be using the present conditional or present continuous conditional. That is the simplest. So if clause is very easy, and practice all the if sentences and practice as many sentences as possible. And if you are not subscribed to my channel, subscribe to Easy English with Inna, and take care and practice English well. Bye.